Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the keycap set that I currently use called the Matcha keycap set. Now this keycap set is very popular and can be found on many websites, but the website I chose to buy from was Banggood, and I'll be leaving to a link down in the description below if you do plan on buying this keycap set. Now for the low price of $50 you get 124 keys, and that is in an XDA profile. Now, what is an XDA profile? Well, I'll show you guys a picture on screen right now showing the different profiles of keycap sets that you can buy, and it basically changes the way the shape of the keycap is and the height of the keycap set itself. Now, it's all personal preference, but some of them can be more comfortable for others and some of them can be uncomfortable for others as well. When it comes to this profile, which is the XDA profile, I really do enjoy using it, so I would definitely recommend it. Now they are PBT as well, which means you won't get as much shine and they'll last a lot longer than ABS plastic. And you can get sublimation, which is the Japanese, Korean, or Russian letters on the keycaps themselves as well. I went for the Japanese lettering on this keycap set that I currently use, and it looks very nice. Now when it comes to matching the renders, this keycap set does indeed match the renders pretty well. I wouldn't say that they look any different than the renders themselves, unless maybe I would be nitpicky and said the ones on screen are a little bit brighter color wise than the ones that I actually have right now, but it's such a small difference, maybe like +2 on saturation if you were editing the photo. It also comes in a cardboard box that is very nice to see because all the keycaps are already laid out for you, so you don't have to go scrambling to find one inside a bag like some keycap manufacturers send them in. And they are very nice, you know, you just pull it out and you put it on. It even has a dust cover inside the box as well, which is also another nice touch when it comes to the packaging of this keycap set. When it comes to the modifiers, you have dark green, and you also get some yellow accent keys as well inside the box, which are very nice. And you also get 4 1U artisan keycaps that have boba, a piece of cake, an ice cream cone, and a cookie. And they look very nice in person, and if you guys have seen my earlier video, it matches my whole setup pretty well considering I have a boba mouse pad which fits perfectly with the boba keycap, so I really like that. Now when it comes to the overall typing experience, I would definitely say these feel very nice to type on. I don't have any complaints, to be honest with you. I like the legends. I like everything about this keycap set. Overall, this keycap set is very nice. And if you guys did want to buy it, it's going to be in the description below. And I have zero complaints when it comes to this keycap set. It matches the renders. It feels very nice. It gives you a bunch of keys, so you can fit mostly any type of layout, 65%, which is what I use, or full size, or TKL, or maybe even 75%. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this keycap set in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.